This conversation is about weekend plans. The conversation begins now. Copyright Nadi Sansar.
Hi, Sabine. Got any plans for the weekend?
नमस्ते जेम्स, अझै पक्का छैन। तपाईको विचारमा केही छ?
Yes, I'm thinking about going hiking. The weather looks perfect.
यो सुन्दा रमाइलो होला जस्तो छ। तपाईले कहाँ पैदल यात्रा गर्ने योजना बनाउनु भएको छ?
I was thinking of trying the new trail at Pine Ridge.
मैले त्यो ठाउँको बारेमा सुनेको छु। सबैजनाले त्यहाँको दृश्यहरू सुन्दर छ भन्छन्, विशेष गरी शिखरमा।
Exactly. Would you like to go with me? It would be more fun with company.
अवश्य पनि। तपाई कति बजे जाने योजनामा हुनुहुन्छ?
I was thinking of starting early, around 7 a.m. It's a long hike.
यो समय मेरो लागि ठिक छ। के हामीले केही विशेष चीज ल्याउन आवश्यक छ? म त्यति लामो पदयात्रामा कहिले पनि गएको छैन।
Just the basics: water, snacks, a good pair of hiking boots, and maybe a camera for the views.
मैले बुझे, म सबै चीज ल्याउन निश्चित गर्नेछु। यो पदयात्रा गर्न कति समय लाग्छ जस्तो लाग्छ?
It should take about 5 to 6 hours round trip. We can take breaks and enjoy the scenery.
सुन्दा राम्रो योजना जस्तो लाग्छ। म बाहिर केही सक्रिय कार्य गर्न चाहिरहेको थिएँ। यो पैदल यात्रा एकदम सही छ।
Glad to hear that. After the hike, we could grab lunch at the Mountain Cafe. They have great food.
यो एकदम सही सुनिन्छ। पैदल यात्रापछि राम्रो खाना अति योग्य हुनेछ।
Absolutely. Looking forward to it. Should we meet at my place and go?
हो, त्यो ठिक छ। त्यसो भए म तपाईलाई बिहान 6:30 मा भेट्नेछु।
See you, Sabine. Have a great day.
तपाईको पनि जेम्स, शनिबार भेटौँला।
Conversation end. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.